Hi, you're on Pablo's Spot. Welcome to a new segment in this channel called DEVscoOPS. This segment is a rapid and quick show and tell on the use of DevOps tools in at most 3 minutes. And so if this tickles your fancy, click that subscribe button. So let's get into it. Did you know that a vulnerability and security scan on Docker images can be done locally? Vulnerability scan on Docker images is like scanning your computer. It is important and ensures a good base security posture for your applications built using Docker. And you can do this locally. Let me show you how it's done. So firstly, if you don't have Docker Hub account, go to hub.docker.com and create one. Don't worry, it's free. And then go to snyk.io and sign up for a free account using your new Docker Hub ID. I already have accounts for both systems. So on my terminal, I'll log into Docker Hub by issuing this command. And then I also need to log into Snyk. So I'm not passing any token here. So this will open a web browser which will ask me to authenticate. So if we go to our browser, click authenticate, and then go back to my terminal, and then I'm all set. So let me try scanning an old Python image. So this command is scanning an image that is already in Docker Hub. So if I run this, what will happen is the image will be pulled into my local machine from Docker Hub, and then the scan will run. The result returned a significant amount of findings. And so if you use this image for your application, you actually carry over the risk and vulnerabilities that you will see on the result. So these are all the results of the scan. If we look at one of the findings, the scan result has a link that you can open to get more details on the vulnerability. So let's open one. And then go to my browser. One of the most important sections on this page is the remediation section, which basically provides information on how to address the vulnerability. Now let me go back to my terminal. I want to perform a scan on the worker service that I built from episode 15. And I'll also show you a different approach to running the scan. So if I cd to episode 15, first thing I would do is run Docker Compose to build my images and also start the containers. So I'll run to pull out the Docker image associated to my worker service. I'll issue this command. And so the Docker image associated to my worker service is called ep-15_worker. So now if I run my Docker scan, I'll go. The scan result has not reported any issues or vulnerabilities, so my Docker image is good. And that's the end of my 3 minutes. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe.